With a large range of technical systems that minimize the risk of accidents ever happening, and a strong structure that protects the driver and other traffic occupants in case of an impact, the new Volvo FH series is the safest Volvo ever built.
Safety is something we've had with us since day one. It's part of our heritage, and today it's one of our most important core values. The new FH series is really truly state-of-the-art when it comes to safety, because we've put all our knowledge into this new product.
Functional design is key when it comes to safety. And one of the main improvements in the new Volvo FH series is that the cab is 1 cubic meter bigger. This means that the survival area for the driver is also bigger. Other improvements include an escape hatch in the roof, which can be used if the cab doors are blocked after impact. The rear-view mirrors also have a new design and are mounted on slender arms, which reduces the driver's blind spots. In total, the cab's usable window area has increased by 17%.
Well, when it comes to visibility, which is a very important part of a driver's everyday work, we have looked into the mirrors, and you can see there's a completely new design, so it's easy to actually see past them, but at the same time you have a very good rear view vision.
A European study shows that over 90% of all accidents between trucks and other road users are due to the human factor. But only 25% of these are caused by the truck driver. That's why Volvo Trucks already offers its customers a huge range of active safety features, like lane-changing support and driver alert support, which ensures that the driver's attention stays on the road. To prevent accidents, all these features are also available in the new Volvo FH series. If an accident does happen, the driver needs to be protected. The new Volvo FH series has been subjected to a large range of crash tests, which correspond to common real-life accidents. The most extensive is the full-scale barrier test, where a complete truck is crashed. Here, everything is tested, from how the exterior and interior structures are damaged to how the dummy is injured and how the electric systems are affected. Uniquely to Volvo Trucks, the Swedish impact test is also performed.
The test we have done in this project has shown that we have reduced intrusion, we have made the door module more stiff and function, and we also have reduced the impact on the knee area for the driver. So the important safety message for this new cab is that we have had the possibility to test almost every new thing, and that's why we can say this is the safest Volvo ever built.
I'd say the most important thing with this new truck is that it's a driver's dream. You have perfect handling, perfect control of the vehicle, and that's put together with the good visibility and so on, and that we are also caring for everybody else in the traffic environment. This is how a truck should be.